In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Dropbox with Jotform workflows. This tutorial is particularly useful for those of you looking to streamline your document management by automatically saving form uploads directly to your Dropbox account. Let's break it down step by step so you can get this integration up and running with ease. First, you'll want to create a Jotform form. Once you're in the form builder, make sure you add a file upload field to your form. This is essential as it allows users to upload files directly through your form. It's important to note that with this setup, users can upload files up to 1 GB per submission, so make sure this suits your needs and those of your users. Next, still within the Jotform form builder, locate and click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. This tab gives you access to a variety of options to configure your form to your liking. Once you've opened the settings, navigate to the left panel and select Integrations. Here you'll find all the possibilities for integrating various services with your form. Now you'll want to search for Dropbox in the list of integrations. Click on Dropbox when it appears in the results. If you've already connected a Dropbox account to Jotform in the past, you can simply choose it from the drop-down menu. If not, you'll need to authenticate your Dropbox account by entering your login credentials. This step ensures that Jotform has the necessary permissions to access your Dropbox and save the files your users upload. Once your Dropbox account is successfully connected, the next step is to create a folder in Dropbox where form submissions will be stored. You can name this folder anything that helps you identify it easily. After setting up the folder, return to Jotform and select the specific form field that you want to sync with Dropbox. Finally, you're ready to complete the integration. Double check everything to ensure all configurations are accurately set, and once satisfied, go ahead and finalize the integration. Now, every time a user submits a form, their uploaded file will be automatically sent to the designated Dropbox folder, keeping everything neatly organized and accessible. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Dropbox with your Jotform workflows, allowing for a seamless transfer of files from your Jotform submissions directly to your Dropbox account. This setup not only saves you time, but also ensures that all your important documents are safely stored and easily retrievable whenever you need them.